Every microchip that powers our world begins here, Jinan, in a facility cleaner than a hospital operating room. Access is earned, not given. Every entrance here is engineered to keep contamination out. A single speck of dust can destroy a microchip, so the process begins with total isolation. Before entering, every trace of the outside world is stripped away. This is where raw silicon becomes the brain of every device we touch. It starts as nothing more than purified sand, norand, transformed into near-perfect crystal. At over 1400 degrees Celsius, a single crystal is pulled from molten silicon trunnion, flawless, atom by atom. Each ingot is sliced into wafers thinner than a human hair, a common, with near zero margin for error. This single disk will soon hold billions of microscopic circuits. Polished to atomic smoothness, each wafer is now ready for the most precise process on Earth, lithography. Parameters holding steady. Data confirms proper layer thickness.
You can see here the dielectric layer isolates wafer 1 and wafer 2.
Okay.
And that creates the layered complexity we need.
electrodes. Analyze the TSMC N3E layout. Specifically, the core power distribution is highlighted in gold.
This is the region. Cluster error ID 412 is a hard fail. We'll need to scrap lot WD45-B.
Analyzing system readings. Cross-reference dataset B. Threshold violation detected. Running calibration now. Status green. Proceeding with run.
Analyzing system parameters.
Initiate final validation routine.
Checkpoint complete.
Status is green on all bays. Beginning the transfer process. Verified. Proceeding.
Keep it coming. Got it. Watch the corner.
I can't believe it's finished. It's perfect, look at this. Wow, that's amazing.
I think this section needs further analysis. Agreed, let's look closer here. Yes, focus on that specific area. Adjusting now, let me see what I can find.
I think if we reroute the data flow here, we can improve the latency. Yes, that looks optimal. Agreed.
Now make sure the alignment is perfect before securing it.
Like this?
Like this? Exactly, good. Then proceed to the thermal test.
See this flow rate? Watch for fluctuations here.
Got it. Fluctuations here?
Exactly. Now you try adjusting the pressure setting.
Positions. The scale of Fab 12's commitment to sustainability is really impressive. We're setting new industry standards with this infrastructure.
The geothermal and hydro are holding steady at 74.
Good. Let's redirect the surplus to Sector 4.
Welcome to the data center, the heart of our operations.
The chip-powered control module is now installed, ready for integration.
Excellent. Move it down the line.
The data shows your levels are improving significantly.
That's great to hear.
Yes, the sensor readings are very positive. Ah, that's better.